Hey folks, welcome back. This is page 14, and I skipped to this page so that I could demonstrate a couple things which were inspired by the quizzes today. So to all the people who joined, thank you. Whoop whoop. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is I encourage you to have a calculator. And I know I normally don't say those types of things, but I encourage you to have a calculator right now because it just speeds the whole process up. Okay? All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to literally change these percents into decimals and translate the word of, and then use the calculator to do the math. Okay, and I'm going to pull the stickies up in order to check our math. All right, so what is 40% as a decimal? Move it over 2 spots, the decimal point, 1, 2, drop it. So 0.40, and the word of means awesome, times the number they give you, 80. Okay, nice job. We'll do it in a second. Now let's change 25%, which is, good for you, 0.25 times 60. And then over here, 10% of 90, so right, 0.10 or 10 hundredths times 90. Okay, literally grab your calculator, do the math. You see me doing it. Okay, so I know 90% or 10% of 90 is 9. Great. You can put that on the line. I'll peel the sticky, just check myself. Bam. Good job. Okay, 25% of 60. Punch it in. Boop, 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 boop. Which is, that's correct, 15. Beautiful job. Yeah. Okay. And then over here, 40% of 80. So we've got 32. Nice. Okay. And it's not because I could see through it. I figured out 10% and then multiplied it by 4. Go, Daddy. All right. 50% of 70. Well, most of you could just say half of 70 is 35. Okay. But let's try 80% as a decimals. 0.80 times 500. And then 75% of 80 is 0.75 times 80. All right, let's do the math. Start here first. Go ahead and punch it in. 0.80 times 500, which is, did you get 400? Beautiful. And then over here, 60? Let's check it. Moment of truth. See how Diddy did. Nice. And I almost put 2 stickies on each one. Okay. Now let's keep going. Don't stop a good thing. 90%, 0.90 times 250. Beautiful. 0.65 times 400. And then 0.85 times 800. All we did was move the decimal point over 2 spots. And if they don't give you one in the percent, put it at the end. Move it over 2 spots. 1, 2. Bam. Done. Okay, 90% of 250 is 225, I think. 65%. Ooh, this could be tough. 400 is 260.